Hello guys, welcome to the Drawing Planet. Today I am going to discuss how to draw a cartoon form portrait, also calling the line drawing, using the pen tool. So let's start. At first, you have to choose the pen tool. You can do it using the toolbar or pressing P from the keyboard and just make points. Okay, and just make points. Then pressing and hold the control key to adjust the points. Also, while adjusting, you can find handles for each and every point. So if you if you want to break the handles and move individually, you can press the Alt key and just drag the handles to break it. Then again press Ctrl to adjust the points. Okay. So we adjusting the points here. You can adjust the points. Then you have to adjust the brush size. You have to adjust the brush size and go the pen tool, to the right click, stroke path, hit OK. Okay, and then again again make the points. Just adjust them. Right click, stroke path, OK. Click OK. Again again just make points, adjust them, adjust your brush size. Then again select pen tool, right click, stroke path, hit OK. Always the process is the same. Okay. Okay, adjust here, adjust your brush size, adjusting the brush size. Okay, then stroke path, hit OK. Make sure the settings is as it is mine. Okay, then for the eyes, just make the points, adjust them and select the fill path. Here you adjust the points, then right click and go the fill path. Okay, the fill the path, make the settings as the same as mine, then hit OK. So now you know what to do, always the same for the whole process. Okay, so I'm just fast forwarding the video. It takes hours to do the drawing. Okay, just make points, adjust, fill the path, stroke path for the make the whole drawing. Okay, so here we again do the points, make and adjust them. So the fill path, sorry, here is not the fill path. Fill path is here. For its now we can use the fill path. Okay, there we can use the stroke path. Okay, the adjusting the points, you can fill the path. Okay, then here is also you can just drag them to adjust and then fill the path and right click, fill the path. Okay, for this eye also do the same, just the same, always do the same for the whole drawing. Okay, so if you find it helpful, so hit like, comment and share the video. If you new in my channel, then please subscribe the channel. Okay, and please tell me in the comment section. And obviously in the next video i I can tell you for the colors. Okay, that is the also tutorial video, that will be the also tutorial video. Okay, so just always do the same and the whole process is the same. For that reason I'm doing the fast forward. Okay, for the lips you can see, just drag them, adjust, fill path. For the lower lip also the same. Okay, for the ear, here is a stroke path. For the hand, adjust the brush size. You can also adjust the brush size using the bracket tools, using the bracket keys in the, yeah. So okay, and goodbye, see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.